はい、皆さんこんにちは。元気ですか？ So today is numbers. Okay, numbers in Japanese. So you can count the number, which means you can introduce your age, how old are you, or my friends is how old, or maybe price. Okay, number is very important. Okay, so let's start from 0. Okay, 0 is 0, like from English, like 0, or traditional pronunciation, 0, 0, 1, 2, sorry, that was I, okay, 2, 3, 4, or 4. So 0 or 0. There's no differences. You can just say 0 or 0. So which one is common? For us, 0 is mostly we say. 0 is very traditional, we don't use often. 0 and 4 or 4, both we use so much. So you can just choose, okay? 4 or 4. Some people say 4, some people say 4. No problem. Okay, 5, 6, 7 or 7. So Japanese numbers, sometimes like two pronunciations, you can just choose. So 7 and 7 both are really common, so you can just choose 7 or 7. 8, 9, 9, 10. Okay? Then bigger number, for example 11, 12, 13, very simple. Very, very simple. Okay, just like mathematics. 10, 1, 11, 10 and 1, 11, 12 and 13. So next lesson we will write down bigger number, okay? So, 頑張りましょう。
Like the wind running free, we were lost, we had to believe. No direction, no place to be. High on emotions, just you and me.